I think video advertising is one of the greatest forms of advertising out there in the sense that it can elicit a similar visceral response that you see within a television ad today. And be able to show, a video ad of, an Apple TV, Apple iPhone commercial that you see today, or seeing a BMW ad where BMW is racing through the streets of New York, and have those ads actually targeted to people who are either in purchase mode for a cell phone or in purchase mode for a luxury car. I think it's game-changing. What we sell specifically to BrightRoll is what is called data. In reality, what we're selling to BrightRoll is the ability to retarget a user based off of their search history. So BrightRoll comes to us and they say, I would like to show an ad to people who previously searched for home loans. Let's say they were targeting video ads for Experian, a credit report company. So what they would do is they would come to us and say, I want to target the keywords home loans, car leases, credit cards, bankruptcy. Anybody that searched for those topics are potentially great potential customers of Experian's product. So they come to us and they provide us with what's called a retargeting pixel. So we have a full self-service system, essentially what we call a search data marketplace, where they come in and they specify two things. One is they provide us with their target criteria, meaning who is it they're looking to reach, and then two, they provide us with one of those retargeting tags, which is enabling us to actually integrate with their system. Once they've booked that segment with us, what happens is when a user goes on the internet and they search on one of the search engines that we've partnered with for any of those target topics, we cause that retargeting pixel to be served, which enables BrightRoll to set a cookie in the space of the BrightRoll ad server. Then at a later time in any form of media, BrightRoll could then serve a targeted ad to that person. So specifically when a person's on Huffington Post, they can show them a video ad showing them the importance of getting your credit report checked before going out and getting a home loan. We're a little bit different than other data companies in the sense that we do two things. Most companies simply sell data, meaning the ability to retarget a user, as I just described. What we do is we do two things. One is we sell data to ad networks, publishers, ad exchange buyers, demand-side platforms, and then most recently with our announcement today, we also sell data to video ad networks. The way that works is we charge a flat rate and we charge per pixel impression. So every single time we flag a user as being a member of that target segment, they pay a certain amount of money for that particular user. We also sell data plus media. So we work directly with advertisers and agencies, and we approach them and we tell them that they have a choice between high quality inventory, meaning premium, ComScore top 250 type sites, or lower quality inventory, meaning the inventory that's available, the remnant inventory on the ad exchanges, which also sells at a lower price point. Basically, there's different price points. Typically premium inventory can range around $6 CPM. Typically lower quality inventory is usually around $2 to $3 CPM. We also see that the cost of data is usually $2 to $5 per 1,000 pixeled users.
What's the opportunity around CPM levels through this kind of targeting scenario?
Targeted impressions cost about double what untargeted impressions cost. But overall, it has a more positive ROI. And the reason why is because you're cherry picking the right impressions. Rather than showing car insurance video ads to all people who on the internet, you're only showing car insurance video ads to people who've searched for car insurance and who are considering, should I get Geico insurance, should I get Progressive or Esurance? Now, because you're cherry picking that inventory, you're ultimately saving them money by not showing ads to people who are not potentially in purchase mode. Today, you have a $20 billion industry of sponsored search ads. The highest converting ads on the internet today are those sponsored search ads. In fact, perhaps the highest converting ads in the world are sponsored search ads. Certain verticals see as high as 50% conversion rates. 1 out of 2 people that are clicking on an ad are often buying products within those particular industries. Now, if you take search, search has certain shortcomings. Search, 1, is expensive. 2, it also has limited creative opportunities. You can only show boring text ads, which is a great degree different from the amazing, video ads that you're able to serve today. Now, if you combine those two things together, you have the power of the most powerful, targeting medium combined with all the creative options to display. It seems to be universally appealing. With this partnership with BrightRoll, it enables BrightRoll to serve all the standard video ad types that they're serving today in terms of pre-roll, post-roll, in-stream ads. In terms of other forms of media, we can serve text ads, we can serve display ads, both on premium ComScore top 250 sites as well as low quality inventory that's available through the ad exchanges. Basically, our goal is to bring the power of search data to all forms of online advertising.